Hello guys, welcome you all to the new Angular tutorial. Okay, in the last tutorial we learned about how to pass the data from parent to child component. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to pass data from child to the parent component. Okay, so this is our last uh, uh, program output. So data is coming from parent, we are successfully displayed. Okay, so now we will have to pass the data from this child component to the parent component. If you not watch my previous video, then I request you to kindly watch it, otherwise you cannot understand what is going on. Okay, so so here we have already import the input from Angular core. Now we have to also input the output as well as the event emitter from Angular core. Okay, so here we have to write just like at the rate input, just like at the rate output. Okay, and here I would like write some child message. Okay, so new event emitter type string, we are going to pass the string only, so that's why I kept like this. Okay, so that's it guys. So what event emitter is going to do is, event emitter tells the Angular that to create a new event. Okay, so to create a new event we have to call this event emitter. Okay, here now we will have to call one function. Okay, so I have written one function here. Okay, so send data to parent. What this is going to do is so I will pass the message also. Okay, so I have written one message here, child data. So this is the string, so data is coming from child, so I have written here just a string message. Okay, and what this function is going to do is, this will emit our data, okay, from child to the parent component. So here we will going to do we will take one button and add a click event. Okay, so I have taken one button. Okay, send data to parent. Okay, and this is the function, send data to parent. I have called this on the click event. Okay, so just I am calling this and emitting the data here. Okay, so that is done with the child component. Now we will come into the parent component TS. Okay, in parent component TS I have written one function here to get the child data. Okay, so to get the child data I have written one function, get child data, and it will take the data, okay, which is emitted by child, and I simply alert it here. Okay, before proceeding we just have to one change in the parent HTML. So like that we take this message. Okay, what is this child message is this one. Okay, where is the message? One second, this one, yeah, child message. Okay, the output property. Okay, so this is going to capture here like this, and what it capture is get child data function name, and it will we have to write a dollar event here. Okay, so whatever data we get here, we are going to alert it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I save this file, both of this file, and let's check in the browser. I have written a command gsub already, so we will move into the browser. Okay, so our button is getting displayed here, so I just click here get child data, and see guys, we can able to see the alert data is coming from child as well as the console. Okay, here I have printed the console also and alert also. Okay, so that is how we are going to pass the data from child to the parent component. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.